Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'll be teaching you how to solve day 1 arithmetic operators 10 days of JavaScript problem from HACKERRANK. Alright, so let's begin. Our task is to use arithmetic operators to complete the following functions for getArea and getPerimeter, both of which they'll have their own formula to solve once you provided the length and width. Scroll down below so you can see it. Alright, so if you're given these inputs, 3 and 4.5, the length and width respectively, you should get 13.5 and 15, which is the area and perimeter respectively. You can see that the formula is length times width for area and true times length plus width for perimeter. And you'll also see that we declare the area and perimeter with the let variable. Now you might be wondering what's the difference between the let variable and the var variable. There's a nice tutorials online. Another one right here is at Java T-Point. Is that the let variable was added later. It's more recent than the var variable. It has a global scope and it can also be limited to the function scope, but whereas let is always limited to the block scope. It can be declared globally but cannot be accessed globally. Some other examples, it cannot be hoisted. So that means hoisted means that once you declare it, it's been called. Let's just say that I call it first before it's declared. It will still put a value out because the variable will be sent all the way to the beginning of the code, whereas when it's not hoisted, the let variable is just defined at the location where you put in the code. So it makes sure that if you do want to declare it, it ensures that you follow the rule that you declare it early on rather than anywhere you want compared to whereas with var. Anyways, you can look it up at your own time. I'm going to go ahead and solve this problem. So it's going to be area equals length times width. We're using the star character to multiply together, and if I want to do it in perimeter, it's going to be perimeter equals true times length plus width, and that should be enough to solve the problem. Alright, it passed. Let's try submitting the code. Alright, I'm glad it also passed. Alright guys, I hope you like this sort of content. If you do, please like and subscribe, and if you do, I will give you the magical global formula so you can get the area and perimeter of any object in the universe. It could be a decahedron, it could be a random house. I'm going to give you a special formula that once you just take a picture with that with your camera, this cool app that I developed that could give you that has this formulas integrated, will give you the full perimeter of of that object. Just kidding. See you later.